Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Daniela and today I'm going to show you how to end thread and add a new thread in Peyote beadwork. I prepared this piece of bracelet. It's made using an odd count peyote stitch, and as you can see I'm running out of my thread, so I will show you how to end this thread and add another one so we can continue to weave the bracelet. It's important to remember where the thread is coming out from, where we end it, because we need the new thread get to this same point. The peyote stitch is perfect for just weaving the thread into our beadwork without making knots. You can if you want, but it's not necessary. So we just go back and pass through a couple of beads, and we go back and forth through the beads and change direction several times. I like to change direction at least 3 times to be sure that the thread stays in place and won't move. And it's also good to go through the same bead 2 times, like make a little circle. And that's it. You don't have to worry, this is super secure even if there are no knots. Now we cut the thread as close as possible to our beadwork. Now we cut a new piece of thread. Thread the needle. And randomly pick a spot where we start and we go through the beads towards this bead we want the thread coming out from. This is the same bead where we ended with our original thread. And again, we change direction several times to secure the new thread. But if you prefer to make some knots, it's best to make them on this edge, like this. Go under the thread between the beads. Make a knot. Tie it. And go through the very next bead. Go under the thread again. Make another knot. And tie it. That's it. And now we get to the point we want. This is the same bead where we ended with our original thread. We cut this tail and we can continue to add another beads. So we pick up beige bead and continue weaving the beads. It was very easy, wasn't it? Don't be scared to use no knots when weaving the thread in. It's easier to just weave the thread in without knots, and if you change direction several times, it will be super secure. So, don't forget to subscribe, ring the bell, and see you next time. If you have any questions, suggestions, anything else, write me in the comments below. Bye!